Okay, so how do you find the hole in an air mattress? The simple way to do it, I've got a spray bottle here, is to put some soapy water inside and then look for it to come out. Just that little tiny thing made my weekend. It lasted enough for 2 or 3 hours at least at a time, but that was enough. So I forgot this trick. I've been spraying this one over here, looking for the leaks. I tried repairing it, but it didn't work. So this one though, you got to put quite a bit of water in there to get it to go all over the place. And you just keep shaking it around until you find something. I'm looking for another one in case there's another one. I don't want to do it again. Okay, yeah, so just that one spot right there, I'll mark that with a marker, and I'm going to do the same thing with this one over here. It's got a leak in it, and we'll see if it comes out the patch hole.